Hello, everyone. This is Mary Johnson, the Library Coordinator from CSM's Leonardtown campus. You know, given our current circumstances, we wanted to share with you a brief overview of ProQuest and how easy it is to access that database from off-campus. When we migrated to remote operations last week, I had a few interactions with students asking about the library and how things will work out. So yes, our database is fully reachable as always, and you can still talk with a librarian for a research consultation through email, library@csmd.edu. Someone will be monitoring this email Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Perhaps we can help you to select a topic or focus and narrow a topic or always research assistance. It's pretty easy to log in to CSM's library databases from off-campus. Sign in using your MyCSMD account. On the welcome page, which is sometimes called the landing page, you scroll to the bottom to find links for library access. Click Library Databases. There you'll find the links for ProQuest, EBSCO, and many of our Gale group databases. I'm going to be toggling in and out of this slideshow to navigate toward ProQuest, but before I do that, let's take a look at a comparison of two typical types of sources for research. This slide is a reminder of how important it is to be discerning when selecting the sources you use. In short, magazine articles provide information for a general readership, and in contrast, scholarly journal articles provide information for scholars and professionals. It's really scholars reporting on their scholarly work. Instructors value information provided in scholarly journals because of the rigorous examination their work must withstand before it actually reaches publication. If possible, choose to use scholarly journals as sources for your research assignments. Here is a basic how-to to sign in to the database ProQuest. ProQuest is a subscription database with thousands of scholarly journals. I'll log in via my MyCSMD account, and I'll look for the link under Library Access, the link for Library Database. I'm already logged into my MyCSMD. Again, here's the welcome page or landing page. To find ProQuest, I scroll down, and under Library Access, I see the link for Library Research Databases. Here, you'll find the links for ProQuest and EBSCO and the Gale Group info track. Today's video focuses simply on ProQuest, so I'm going to open that database up. Once inside, you'll note that this particular database works with keyword strategies. Remember, keywords are those words that might appear in the title or contents of an article describing what you're looking for. Specific words that fully describe the topic. As a researcher, we want to reach relevant results more quickly, and that means using at least 2 keywords, if not 3, to narrow and focus your results. Today, we'll talk about a general topic. If our topic was a discussion surrounding concussions and sports, I might use keywords that include brain injuries. I have included those 2 words in parentheses simply to connect those 2 keywords so they will sit side by side in the articles that I find. I'm also interested in brain injuries and sports, and perhaps I want to focus on youth. And I can complete my search. Once again, a reminder about this keyword searching. Once you're inside it's always a good idea to take a peek at the sidebar discussing source type. We'll see that it looks at the different types of sources returned in your results: scholarly journals, newspapers, magazines. Today we'll focus on the scholarly materials, so we'll open up the link for scholarly journals. Once inside, all of these results are now in the scholarly journals only. I was in here a little earlier, and I happened to notice there was a particular article of interest: reducing traumatic brain injuries in youth sports. Traumatic brain injuries in terms of state laws from January 2009 to December 2012, a good overview. So I'm going to click on that just as an example. Once I'm inside, I'm going to see an abstract. The abstract is simply the paragraph describing the article. This article has all the hallmarks of a good scholarly journal. This particular author used a lot of references. As you can see here, a lot of references were used to create this article. This article contains a lot of the words that one would associate with science courses, such as the methods or methodology, the results, the scope of the laws, and then finally at the end it talks about the discussion and then the conclusions from this particular author. Note that inside the database there is a citation creator. The citation creator is set to MLA 8th edition. However, there are a number of different guides or formats available. I would caution you, though, that using an embedded citation creator gives you the responsibility to make sure that this information is accurate. You want to double check it. Embedded citation creators can have error from time to time, so you want to double check. All right, so we are all set. That is a basic way for you to get into the MyCSMD links to ProQuest. Just remember those steps. Again, we want to conclude by saying that your CSM library staff is here for you during this unusual circumstance. Please allow us to help you a bit with your research assignments. I think you'll be happy that you did. We hope that you stay healthy, folks. Thank you.